Before I started treatment, I slept badly. I woke up quite frequently, got up several times a night. I woke my husband up several times a night, or he left the room to go sleep in the other bedroom. When I woke up, I felt like I was dragging myself out of bed. It took me a while to get going in the morning. During the day, I would get tired, sometimes sitting at my desk, get real sleepy driving on the way home. And now that I've got the appliance and I've been using it, I wake up. It doesn't take me long to wake up. In the morning, I'm sleeping through the night. I'm not snoring anymore. My breathing has not stopped during sleep. I feel great now. I would recommend this to anybody.